If you want to give someone access to a Google Drive link, this video will show you the fastest and easiest way to do it. Whether you're sharing a document, a folder, or a file, the steps are very simple. And once you know them, you can control exactly who can view, comment, or edit your content. This is especially useful when you're working with teammates, classmates, clients, or anyone who needs access without you sending the file manually. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Drive tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to drive.google.com and sign in to your Google account. Once you're inside Google Drive, look for your files on the left side and click on My Drive. This is where all of your uploaded files and folders are stored. Next, locate the file or folder you want to share. You can scroll through your drive, use the search bar if needed, or open a folder to find the exact item you want. Once you've found it, click once to select it. After selecting the file or folder, look toward the top of the screen and click the share icon. This opens the sharing settings for that item. In the sharing window, you'll see a section called General Access. By default, this is often restricted, which means only people you add directly can open it. If you want to give someone access through a link, change General Access to anyone with the link. This is the key step that makes the link shareable. After that, choose the permission level you want. You can set it to viewer if the person should only be able to read the file, commenter if you want them to leave comments, or editor if you want them to make changes. Pick the option that matches what you want that person to do. Once the access level is set, click Copy Link. This copies the Google Drive link to your clipboard so you can paste it into a message, email, chat, or anywhere else you want to share it. Before sending it out, it's always a good idea to double check the permission setting one more time, especially if the file contains important information. If everything looks right, click Done to close the sharing window. And that's it. You've now given someone access to a Google Drive link. They can open it using the link you copied, and their access will match the permission level you selected. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.